Oh, welcome my pretties to our Halloween YouTube hop hosted by myself and Deborah Adams Aka Creativelife by Deborah. We have an amazing list of super talented collaborators that will be sharing with you their version of our Halloween challenge. The challenge was that each designer had an option to choose from Shabby Chic Halloween, Victorian Halloween, or last but not least, Victorian Gothic Halloween. Each collaborator has the option to do their own giveaway. To win my challenge, you must like, comment, and subscribe to each channel, including mine, to be entered to win. I will be giving away a prize from Amazon, and if the winner is from out of country, I will be giving a PayPal gift card. So, just make sure that you go to our next participant, which is Brittany BB's Crafts. I have her and all the other links down below in the description box, so definitely check that out. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I just wanted to let you know that this candelabra was too large for me to actually do a video of this, so I'm going to share with you a little bit about how I made it. So the first thing I did was go to the Dollar Tree and pick up several items, and I picked up one of these purple tall vases, and then I purchased some of the chalkboard paint and then went ahead and painted the vase with the chalkboard paint. I also purchased a kitchen cutting board from the kitchen section, and I glued that on top of the vase after the vase was dry. And then on top of that plate in the center, I added one of these green floral foamy things. I don't know. Then I glued on some Spanish moss with my regular glue. Don't use E6000, it'll melt it. Then I went ahead and added in some of these flowers. And once I finished filling in all the roses and it made a dome shape, I just added in some of these floral picks, and now you're going to see what I actually created.